My name is Suresh Kumar. I am from Bengaluru. I am taking a course in Besant technologies for Tableau. As part of the project, we have been developing multiple projects. As part of the course, actually, as part of the course, we have been developing multiple projects. I am going to demonstrate to you one of the projects that we have developed called HR Analytics Dashboard. Let's take a look at the dashboard.
Hope you're able to see the complete dashboard. This particular dashboard has been built to facilitate the HR team activities. So HR team, who is responsible for the employee data, they should be maintaining the data in such a way that it provides various insights which will enable them to take further decisions to improve the company's profit, right? That should be the aim of HR department to start with, from the perspective of the team that is maintaining the human base. Correct. So now, in addition to providing the summary view, so we all know, right, the summary view is a very common view. As you see, the number of employees, the employee, which is employee count, and the attrition count, or the count of employees who has resigned, and the active employees at this point in time, the attrition rate, and the average age of employees from the total population. So this is basically a very common summary view maintained by any HR department. But what makes the dashboard very useful to the HR team is that various visual representations that we have created with the help of the Tableau. For example, each of these dashboard, there are 6-7 sheets or visual representations that you have brought into this dashboard to answer multiple questions that will enable them, HR team, to make further decisions to reduce the attrition and improve the company's growth as well as the profit. For example, department-wise attrition. So if I know how to create the pie chart, then I'll be able to provide the number of the amount of attrition at the department level, and then that basically may enable the HR team to focus more on the R&D department where the attrition rate is high, right? In the same context, each of these visualizations, be it number of employees by age group, job satisfaction rating, attrition by the education, and attrition rate by gender and the age group, each of these visuals were created to provide some insight, some useful or very specific useful insight, I would say, which will enable them to do further actions that benefits the company. Okay, now we are going to take a look at an example of how can we create the pie chart here, right? So maybe we can talk about what are the different features in Tableau that we've used to create these visuals. For example, this department-wise attrition. We know that we use the pie chart combined with the the table calculation. If I can take you to the sheet, you're able to see the attrition is there, and you're not the label or the numbers are not visible because I've changed the color of the the numbers, that's why you're not able to see it. For example, if you're able to see, right, if you're able to see my screen, you have the pie chart, the normal pie chart that has the attrition rate, the department wise. Then we have the calculation that is pointing out to the percentage of total. Now let's go to that sheet, right? If you're able to see, against each attrition count, you'll be able to see the percentage, and that is basically created with the help of the table calculation, which is a percentage of total. Likewise, each of these visuals has some feature embedded in it. For example, number of employees by age group. We have used parameter along with the pin to create this histogram, and the job satisfaction rating that highlights. It is called highlight table. There are two ways of creating it. You can basically drag in the dimensions of job satisfaction and the job role in the rows and columns, and then you basically bring in square as a mark in order to highlight, right, the job satisfaction of job satisfaction against each job role and the count. Also, if we can take you back to the dashboard, and then if you look at the education field wise attrition, you'll be able to see there's a bar chart along with the the color, right, coloring the bar chart with the based on the count of the attrition against each education field is being used here, and also the donut chart. So donut chart is not in general available in Tableau. We basically use the pie chart. I would say two different pie charts combined together to create this donut chart. This basically provides a very fancy view of it provides the information as well as the fancy view. When I talk about information at the different age group level, how do I visualize the attrition rate by gender and age group? So how do we do this? So we create a bin, right? We create a bin or a calculated field. I would say we have created a calculated field here to in order to break down this attrition by gender. Let me take you back to the sheet. If you look at it, we have in the column we have the age band. Age band is a calculated field. I was right. So we created a calculated field. If I take you back to the calculated field, you'll be able to see this one. Okay. No, I think the age band is already available. So we have created two different bar chart and then two different pie chart, and we have combined those pie chart together so that it can create a donut view. So basically, all I'm saying is This dashboard basically contains different Tableau features combined with the business requirement to create a beautiful visualization as you see on the screen. Hope this was helpful. I'd like to thank my tutor from Besant Technologies who has given me this fantastic class for us for the Tableau. Thank you so much. Bye.